Well, here's the alignment of the old Red Hill track at Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve. So I've come from up there, and a lot of thick saplings and stuff. A few old fella trees, some still standing, some still lying. But here we are at about 940 metre contour, and tree ferns and mosses and a lovely little creek. This is quite fun. Nice to be out by yourself and just going at your own pace and enjoying the bush. Really great. Yeah, just over the other side of that mossy fallen tree, here we've got a star picket, and these mossy stones would have been the steps down across the creek. So you never know what you'll find in the bush. There's that mossy log. I was videoing from the other side of it.